Joya. Oh, it's nice name.
What's
So
your
where?
name?
Yeah, my name is Sushant
Ah,
Paul.
what?
Sushant Paul.
Shorshane?
Yeah,
Shorshane?
Sushanta Paul.
Shoshantapol.
Yes, you are correct. Okay, so then you can call me just Paul. It will be very easy for you.
Ah, Paul.
Yeah, it's okay. So,
Okay.
Joya,
Paul.
where are you from?
Where are you from? Oh, where are you from too?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, nice. Really?
Yeah, do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Tajikistan.
Tajikistan. Oh, it's nice to meet you. You know,
Nice to meet you too.
you look so happy. You look so good.
Really?
Yeah, I like
Thank
that
you.
you look so happy. Yeah, you are
Oh.
happy person maybe.
Oh my. Really?
Are you always happy?
Yeah, I'm always. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm not angry.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so
Yeah.
Joya, what do you do? Do you study or work?
I'm work. My life, I'm work. Only job, job, job.
Okay. So tell me, I want to know about
You,
Tajikistan. Could you please tell me about your country? Could you please tell me something?
you don't know Tajikistan?
No, I don't know many things. I just hear this country name. So could you please tell me about your country?
What to tell you? My English little bit.
No,
This
you can
for
try.
me it problem.
Okay, you can try.
A country, normal country, Muslims country, and my language, Farsi. Me don't know Farsi. My country speak Farsi and
Do you know Spanish? Spanish language? No. Okay.
no.
So tell me, what is the capital of your country? What is the capital of Tajikistan?
Capital, what is it?
Is it Dushanbe?
Dushanbe. No, not Dushanbe.
So what is the capital?
You go YouTube. You will
Okay.
see country.
Okay.
You understand me? Don't me tell
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
You don't
Like my
understand.
country, yeah, my country's capital is Dhaka, and the capital of USA is Washington. So what is the capital of your country?
Washington.
You don't
Me
understand
don't
me?
understand you.
Oh, okay, it's okay, no problem. So tell me, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Me have one sister, one brother after me, after two sisters small.
Okay, you have a nice family.
And you? Yeah, thank you.
And do you live with your family or alone?
Now I'm live alone.
Oh, okay. So where do you live?
I now living now Turkey. You know?
Turkey. I mean, which city? Do you live in city or village?
Yeah, my city, Istanbul.
Istanbul. Oh, Istanbul is capital
Yeah.
of Turkey.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so you got it. Capital means your capital, Istanbul.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What you doing in your life?
Yeah, I'm student and I study uh, honors third year. I mean BA. Do you know BA?
Uh, yeah, yeah, I know maybe a little bit.
Yeah, it means Bachelor of Arts.
Oh,
So, are you hungry? Okay. So, what are you eating? Is it a chocolate? Is it a chocolate?
yeah. No chocolate, cocoa. Uh, this.
So, do you like chocolate?
How old are you? Mm,
Okay, I'm 24 years old. So, how old are you?
24?
Yeah. May I know
Already?
how old are you?
Me too, 24.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are a Muslim?
No, actually, I'm not Muslim. I'm Hindu religion, but I respect all religious people, all religion. Do you understand me? I respect everyone. I respect everyone.
Ah, everyone.
Yeah.
Don't have
I don't have girlfriend.
yani
So, do you have a boyfriend?
me don't have boyfriend.
Oh, are you single?
Hmm.
Oh, really? Okay.
Really?
Yeah. So tell me, what do you do?
Yeah.
What do you do in your free time? When you will get free time, then what do you do?
I coming home. I cook. After I make I pray. After I go fitness, fitness.
No, I don't know. What is that?
Fitness super sport.
Oh, okay.
After me free time finish, after me come home, sleep.
Sleep. Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
do you like fast food? Do you like fast food?
I like food everything.
Okay. You look like foodie. You are eating so much.
Yeah, I eat it.
Okay, that's cool.
Now, now I eat this shit.
You have lots of chocolate. Am I right?
Yeah, I saw like
Oh, I'm going to Hungary.
you mentioned. You understand me?
Yeah, I understand you. You can say anything.
Me don't hungry. Me finish dinner eat. Me finish eat dinner.
What time is it now over there? Is it night?
Yeah, night. No, night. Yeah.
What is the time? What time is
Kema.
it?
Time.
What is the time right now?
Look, I sent.
Okay. In my country, it's 12:37. It's night.
Yeah. Yeah, no, night.
It's midnight. You can say like that.
Oh, come here. Yeah.
So, what's your favorite color? Do you have any favorite color?
No, not her.
No.
Hepsini seviyorum.
So, okay, it's nice to meet you, and I like your smile. You are always happy. That's so cool.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Mm, Paul.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. You're a good man.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And you can ask me
And
anything, whatever you like. Do you want to more thing about my country? Like I'm from Bangladesh, and our mother tongue, our national language is Bengali. So
Bengali.
Bengali, yeah.
Oh. Me don't know about Bangladesh. Not much. Little bit.
Okay.
Country.
So could you please
Bangladesh.
teach
Muslim.
me? Could you please teach me how can I say hello in your country? I mean, how can I say hello in Turkey language?
Hello, selam. Merhaba. Selam aleyküm. This yani.
Oh, then how can I say how are you?
How are you? Hoş olmadı.
Ushamadi.
Yeah. This how are you?
Oh, okay. So Hushamedi.
I'm good, but thank you.
Oh, you have to answer in Turkey. How can you say I'm fine?
In Turkey.
Yeah.
İyiyim. İyiyim.
It's it's quite difficult. Yeah, it's quite difficult for me. Yeah, it's quite difficult.
Yeah, this I'm fine. This I'm fine. So the yani Turkish language is iyiyim. Finish. I'm fine.
Oh, Turkish language is
Yani.
very difficult to learn. It's very difficult.
Yeah. Yeah.
But English is very easy. Do you know? English is very easy to learn.
Yeah. English good. For me, this little bit problem because me don't good no English.
No problem. Actually, I'm practicing English and I'm learning English as well. I'm not a good speaker, and I make